Welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna discuss about split method and string formatting. That what is the purpose of split method and string formatting in our programming. So let's get started. Here it is. Split method. We can use split method for taking more than one inputs from the user, such as if I write name comma age variable, so comma age variable, so I want to take name and age as an input from the user by using one input statement. If input I write enter your name and age. Okay, how can we do that? By using split method. Method can be shown by using dot and using split. Okay, there is a point to be noted. If I use inverted commas here and put comma here, so these two values can be separated by using comma. Okay, and I print name comma age. Okay, if I run it, so enter your name. My name is Umair, comma I write 20. Okay, if I enter it, so here it is printed Umair and 20. So I separated these two values by using a comma. So if I remove comma from here, so it is default these two values are separated by the space. So if I run it again, now I have to write Umair, don't forget space, and using 20. If I enter it, so you can see we can separate by default. As a default operator we can separate it by space. So if we want to separate anything, we can identify it here. If I dot, these two values separated by dot. If I run it again, so add dot 20. So if I run it, so you can see here we can use anything. We have to write here under the split method. So we can use split method to take more than one input. I can take also 3 input here. Here last I include last name. Okay, last name. Okay, and here I put again last name. So if I run it, so Umair dot 20 not. So if I enter it, so you can see here these three values are printed equally. So we can use this method to take more than one input. So now moving towards the string formatting. String formatting is a very useful equipment we use in our programming. So listen it carefully. String formatting can save us from concatenation of string and long ugly texts. So we can use it by using, if I here I comment this line, and we can use string formatting like print. We can use string formatting, put the f before inverted commas. If I use f here, f before inverted commas, we can use string formatting. So I use it your name is, we can use variable under the inverted commas. We use here curly brackets. We write here name, our value of the variable. Your name is Umair and your age is, here is I am using age variable here. So if I run it, so this will appear as a, instead of age 20 will appear, and instead of name my name will appear. Okay, if I run it, so I'm using Umair dot 20 comma. Okay, if I enter it, so you can see your name is Umair and your age is 20. So today we discussed about split method and string formatting. Don't forget these string formatting. It is a very useful equipment we use to handle ugly syntaxes. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel. We upload daily videos for Python. Thank you very much.